According to latest media reports, 3 C-130 transport aircraft of the Pakistan Air Force were used to ferry military equipment to their Skardu air base, which is opposite to the Ladakh region, and Pakistan is most likely to move its JF-17 fighter jets to the Skardu airfield. The movement of the equipment to the forward operating base could be support equipment for fighter jet operations. Sources have said that the Pakistan Air Force was planning to conduct an exercise, and the shifting of aircraft to the forward base could also be a part of it. As per latest reports, the BrahMos Aerospace will develop 2 more variants for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. The first variant will be a very long-range air-to-air system capable to knock down AWACS and aerial tankers, and it will be similar to the Russian MiG-LR-37 hypersonic system for the MiG-31 fighter jet. The BrahMos Aerospace might even add a rocket booster that will increase its range to 400 kilometers. The Indian Navy has asked for next-generation version of a submarine-launched BrahMos cruise system that can be integrated with its existing submarines. DRDO Chief Dr. Satish Reddy has said that the directed energy systems are among the next bunch of military technologies that the DRDO have been working for the past 4 years, and it aims to develop a 10 kilowatt and 20 kilowatt directed energy system. He also added that a laser-based or microwave-based high-powered directed energy system can quietly disable a number of aerial systems permanently, without leaving any physical debris. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that HAL is working towards completing the first Tejas light combat aircraft in FOC configuration by December, and it aims to produce 1 Tejas aircraft every month from 2020. He also said that even if the 59,000 crore rupees order for the 83 Tejas Mark I is received, Hindustan Aeronautics would take up the order only if it comes in with the money associated with the project. The chairman of Ordnance Factory Board has raised concerns about the survival of the 41 factories if they were to be corporatized by the Indian government. He also said that the Indian Army is the principal and only large customer of the Ordnance Factory Board, and if the Army is not in a position to place orders worth 11,000 crore rupees, then in such a situation, the Ordnance Factory Board will not be able to double its turnover, even with corporatization. After the announcement of US and Russia about the new progress in the development of unmanned vehicles that will accompany fighter jets in combat operations, Chinese experts have said that the present Chinese stealth drones could serve that purpose and accompany the J-20 fighter jet. Some military observers previously thought that the Unmanned Wingman project could only become a reality for the upcoming 6th-generation fighter jets, but the US and Russian developments have shown that it may have already become a trend. Japan's ambassador to India has said that India and Japan are in discussions over the procurement of 12 US-2 amphibious aircraft by the Indian Navy. He also said that Japan would like to see more transfer of technology and equipment to India, but there has been no concrete discussions between the two countries on the procurement of Japanese submarines by the Indian Navy.